Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hardik Shah's Medical Science. Today we will discuss a 5 important tips for reducing the cholesterol naturally without using the medicines. So, first we have to understand what are the normal cholesterol levels. How can we say that your cholesterol is well within the limit? We have to first understand that there are two different types of the cholesterol. One is LDL, which is we consider a bad cholesterol. Another is HDL, that's a good cholesterol. LDL generally we receive from a food like a burgers and pizzas, where the HDL you will be getting from a food like a walnuts. So what are the normal HDL and LDL levels in our body? Normally, LDL in both male and female should remain less than 100 mg per deciliter, whereas HDL, which is a good one, should be minimum 60 mg per deciliter. Risk for the heart attack increases if your HDL goes below 40 mg for male and below 50 mg for female. LDL plus HDL put together named total cholesterol, and it should be less than 240 mg per deciliter. So, why do we consider LDL as a bad cholesterol? Let's see, this is a blood vessel. When a bad cholesterol LDL is not in a higher quantity, your blood from the blood vessel is flowing very smoothly like this. But as you can see, if your LDL increases, it starts getting deposited into the artery. So when it starts depositing, it starts creating a blockage within the artery. Once a blockage is created, a blood flow is completely stopped. Let's say if such artery is blocked within the heart, what would be the consequences? If such blockage, let's say, is created within an artery supplying a blood to the heart, that's a coronary artery, it impacts the supply of a blood on the part of a heart, and result is the part of a heart will get damaged. This may lead to the heart attack. So, it's very important to control the blood cholesterol level. When you are using a medicines for reducing the cholesterol, in a long term, it may cause a severe side effects like unexplained muscle pain, or it may produce a tenderness. It may make you a weaker and a fatigue all the time. You may also produce a cramps in the body. Over and above, the drugs which are used for reducing the blood cholesterol increases the risk of developing a diabetes as well. So, it is very important to control your cholesterol naturally with least amount of medicines. The question is how? By following 5 important tips. Let's say these tips one by one. The first is exercise most of the days in a week. Increase your physical activity. It has been found that the brisk walking, that means walking 3 miles per hour or faster, or cycling 10 miles or a 16 kilometer per hour reduces your LDL by 10%. At the same time, it also improves your HDL by 3 to 6%. Such exercise you have to repeat 30 minutes a day and minimum 5 times a week. Second is you should eat a healthy heart food. What are the healthy heart foods? One should increase the unsaturated fat in a food. That is, you should increase the consumptions on the olives, peanuts, and avocados. At the same time, you should avoid saturated fats and the trans fats, like you should avoid the pizzas and burgers. This will reduce your LDL by 4 to 8 milligram per deciliter. In addition to this, increase the soluble fiber intake, increase the oats, peas, beans, apples, and citrus fruits. Avoid trans fats completely. You should avoid products like the cookies, crackers, and the cakes. Very important, add omega-3 fatty acid in your diet. Use a salmon and the cod liver oil. Plus, increase the intake of the whey protein. Improve the dairy diets like milk and yogurts. The third important tip is one should lose the weight. Why one should lose the weight? Because for every additional 10 pounds or 4.5 kg extra fat in your body produces 10 milligram of excess cholesterol daily. So, if you are losing just 5 to 10% of your total body weight, it significantly reduces a fat, a bad cholesterol, that is LDL, and a total cholesterol level. Fourth, one should have a limited alcohol intake. It has been found that a woman of any age and a man with more than 65 years should limit the intake of alcohol for less than one drink a day. Why say one drink? That means it makes a 70 ml per day. 17 ml per day. A man more than 65 years of the age, less than 65 years of the age, should have not more than 2 drinks per a day. Following the guidelines, you can improve the HDL by 18%, and at the same time, it also reduces the LDL. The last is you should quit the smoking. A person who quit the smoking have an immediate impact on the HDL level. HDL level rises, LDL level reduces. Quit smoking immediately will produce a good effect on your blood pressure and the heart rate. Your BP and the heart rate recovers just within 20 minutes after quitting the smoking. In addition to this, your lung functions starts improving in 3 months, and at the same time, your heart attack risk reduces within 1 year. So these are the important 5 tips one should follow to reduce the blood cholesterol level. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more such videos.